Hello. So in this video, what I'm going to be talking about and what I have in front of me is the tgin Thank God It's Natural Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel with Nettle Leaf and olive oil, and I will definitely talk about what Nettle Leaf actually does for the hair. And it's a soft hold styling gel that gives curl definitions and shine without the crunch. And you see like no sulfates, no mineral, artificial colors, etc. So I absolutely love this. This is actually what I use after when I apply the leave-in moisturizing product by them, and those two together, oh man, when I mean it's like a no, seriously though, it's I absolutely love this moisturizing gel. And another thing I love about it is that it has a pump. This is, oh my gosh, like, y'all know what y'all doing. I absolutely love tgin. Oh my gosh. But before I go in the back, let me go ahead and just explain and give some stuff on what let me go ahead and go back and then I'll explain what Nettle Leaf does for the hair. So anyway, does leave like the crunch, but if you kind of like overdo it, it will leave a crunchiness. And I think I did it one time because I was like in a hurry, wasn't caring about how much I applied, so that was my fault. But anyway, so it gives us a story on, you know, the beautiful lady behind tgin. And you see, it's a lightweight formula that defines curls and provides soft hold. Great for wash and goes, non-flaking formula, reduces frizz. That's why I use it, especially to reduce frizz, because my hair gets really frizzy the next day sometimes. I think it's because how I sleep. Anyway, enhances shine, great for all hair types. And this is the part I was saying what I use this styling gel after. So I use the tgin green tea super moist leave-in conditioner, which I actually did a video on that. My hair, and followed by this curl balm moisturizing styling gel in style as usual. And it's a good size, and it does. I mean, you can tell I've been utilizing this. This is some good stuff. Let me go ahead and show what it looks like right quick. So, see, comes out so easily. So this is what it looks like. And the smell, it smells like gel, but it has a fresh, fragrant smell to it. Like, it doesn't smell like just straight up water or straight up gel. It has a fresh, light smell to it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head now as we speak. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so... oh my gosh. Okay. So let me go ahead and talk about what Nettle Leaf can do for hair. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, what? I was a little surprised because I didn't really know what it was. But anyway. So using this is one of the oldest treatments for combating hair loss. So stinging nettle capsules and tea can be consumed to treat hair loss. Alternatively, while a good scalp massage using nettle oil combats hair loss effectively. So, helps with hair loss. Helps in hair regrowth. Not only does stinging nettle helps in combating hair loss, but also helps in hair regrowth, which makes it, you know, shinier and healthier. Stinging hair with nettle attracts and water results in regrowth of lost hair and also helps in restoring the original hair color. I didn't know that. So it helps with hair growth. And it's combined with olive oil too, so don't think that it's gonna rinse out or, you know, it's just I'm just gonna tell you what all, like, if you was really getting deep down and then having the actual oil by itself, but since it's a mixed ingredient and it helps with hair growth, like, it just helps, you know, with the main thing, hair loss again. And another thing it says it treats dandruff. So What? Massaging your scalp with coconut or mustard oil infused with dry nettle leaves and leaving it overnight is a very effective treatment for dandruff. That's new. I did not know that at all. Let me see. So, and not only for hair, I mean, it's saying that it's good for like health too. So, that is amazing. So yeah, and it's actually, they said it's a plant. It actually stings, which is really crazy. I didn't know that, but if you drink like nettle tea too, it said that it's supposed to help as well. So yeah, it aids in hair growth, eliminates dandruff, reduces oiliness, really soothes itching, adds shine, treats and dry. What? Wait. Okay, strengthens the hair follicles and shaft, reduces oiliness, adds a shine to dull hair, treats dandruff, soothes dry scalp issues, soothes itchy, irritated, and sensitive scalp. Okay, I didn't know all this was doing to it. All I know is that when I use this, is my hair is looking good. My hair looks moist. My hair looks shiny. My hair is just the curls is just. It is where it's at. Like I absolutely love this product. Would I have any? No, I don't have any complaints. I mean, you really just need a small amount. You don't really need a huge amount, or you're gonna be overdoing it. Both of them together, leaving edition and this. Oh man, the one is called Curl Bomb. But anyway, again, this is the tgin Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel with Nettle Leaf and olive oil.